I purchased this clock from online, but I purchased many clocks over the years online on shops and other places. This one particularly now, we don't know if it's working or not working. So the first thing I'll do is make sure everything's okay with the mechanism. That's the back of it. It looks alright so far. We'll see. So I'm not going to put the back now. Yeah. Next, what we do is, first of all, use a spirit level to make sure that the cuckoo clock is alright. It's not crooked or off on one side. Let's see. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, next thing what we do is we put the chains are alright. The hooks are on, all good. Put the weights on. Just make sure they're there. Oh, it's already working. I can hear it going. It's number 3. Now, you need to put your pendulum on at the a little bit hard. Okay. So far so good. Okay, now let's see if the bellows and the cuckoo is working. It's getting nice. So far very good. Okay, we'll try at half. Okay, one more time for the hour. Okay, that's it. Thank you.